Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you.
Very interesting. Suppose you have got 8 bags of rice, 8 identical bags of rice of same weight. All of are of same weight, but one of them is slightly heavier than other. Which one? I don't know. One of them is slightly heavier. Maybe like if all are of 40 kg bag, one is 40.2 kg. Can you identify looking at these 40 kg bag that this one is 40.2 kg? Actually not. 200 ग्राम का फर्क आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा, but 200 ग्राम का फर्क यहाँ पर समझ में आएगा. Yes, if you keep a 40 kg bag here and 40.2 here, obviously what will happen? 40.2 kg bag will come down. So our scenario is you have got 8 identical bags of rice of equal weight, one of which is slightly heavier than other. Clear? You have a beam balance. With beam balance, tell me how many times you will use this balance to identify which one is the correct bag. And you need to tell me the minimum number of times you will use it, not the maximum. And not the probability answer. I need the certainty answer. Question is, find the minimum number of times the beam balance should be used to identify the heavy bag out of these 8 identical bags of rice. Give it a try. ट्राई करने दो, समाज में बहुत लोग बैठे हैं. सर को रिटर्न टिकट अभी तक नहीं मिली है. नोट किया? आंसर बताएं. पब्लिक बोल रही है 3. Is it 3? Is it 2? Is it 1? Or I have got X-ray eyes 0. I will just X-ray. That is the bag. But I don't have an X-ray eye. Do I have? 4. Your people are just enjoying comedy show चल रही है, उसके आंख से आंसू आ गए. हंसते हंसते रो रही है, रोते रोते हंस रही है. Huh? Why are you crying? It's okay. पानी दो. She's crying. क्यों रो रही है? मैडम why are you crying? अच्छा बोले हंसते हंसते आंसू आ गए. Yes. फिर क्या आंसर आपका? 3, 2, 1, 0. 3. चलो 3 का केस देखते हैं. What is the case for 3? Yes, 3 ভালো লাগছে. 3 कैसे करेंगे? 3 सर फर्स्ट वेइंग में 4, 4 ऐसे ही किया ना. Suppose this comes down, that means heavier bag is here. Discard this group. सेकेंड वेइंग में इसको ब्रेकअप करेंगे इन 2, 2. Suppose this comes down. In third weighing, you will break up this 0, 0, matlab 1, 1, and obviously one of them will come down, and you will shout miracle, miracle. And this one is the heavy bag. Correct? So how many weighing required? How many? 3. बहुत बढ़िया. Good. But answer is not 3. I will give you one more chance to cry. Don't worry. Now you will cry because your answer is wrong. Pen niche and try to understand the big logic. These kind of questions, we need to think something different. I've got 8 bags. Just dekhna what I'm doing. I'm grouping it like this. I don't know where is the heavy bag. ये रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है बेटा, जब मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं तो बीच में नेक्स्ट टाइम टोकना मत। जब एक्सप्लेनेशन खत्म हो जाएगा हम फिर उसको प्रेम से एडिट कर पाएंगे, बराबर? खत्म होने दे एक्सप्लेनेशन। थैंक यू। वेयर इज द हैवी बैग? आपकी इच्छा, कहीं पर भी लगा दो, चलो आप कहीं पर लगा दो, आपको मैं दो ऑप्शन देता, ठीक है? किसी में भी लगा दो, या तो इस ग्रुप में कोई हैवी बैग बोलो या इसमें, कहां पर? सपोज दिस इज द हैवी, सपोज, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं, क्लियर? बट आई हैव ग्रुप लाइक दिस। नाउ सी द फन। Weighing number one, I will weigh these two only. Clear? Obviously, this will go down. Yes or no? If this goes down, I will reject this. Yes or no? Because if one of the pen comes down, automatically those two fellows are of same weight. Now I have got these three balls. Weighing number two, I will weigh these two. Suppose one will go down and automatically third one will be out. Now somebody asks, if you weigh these two, if I weigh these two, they will be balanced. If it is balanced, I know this one is the heavy one. How many weighing required? Two. Case number two, suppose this is not the heavy bag. This is the heavy bag. Clear? Now I will weigh again these two. If these two are balanced, obviously heavy bag is here. If heavy bag is here, in the second weighing, I can tell you which one is heavy. How many weighing required? Two. Date 2015. The question is. ठीक है? But I have redesigned this question. आप मेरे को बताओ, how many weighing will be required if there are 32 bags? Minimum number of weighing. थोड़ी सी अकल लगाना बस, आंसर आ जाएगा। If there are 32 bags, how many minimum number of weighing required? बेटा 4 में नहीं करता। Okay, tell me how 4. Breakup बोलो। हाँ। ओ, कैसे? मेरे को ब्रेकअप दो ना। 8 का मैंने ब्रेकअप दिया था ना आपको, 3-3-2 का, ऐसी 32 का ब्रेकअप दो। 5 स्टेप लगेगा। 5-5 का 6 ब्लॉक और 2, तो क्या 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 कर लूंगा मैं? 12। आंसर इज 4। 32 को हाफ हाफ करो, 16 हो जाएगा आपको। 16 को हाफ हाफ करो, 8 हो जाएगा। अब आपको मालूम है 8 के संग में 2 स्टेप लगता है। ये है इसका रूल, टू ब्रिंग इट टू 8। आफ्टर 8 यू कैन सेव 1 स्टेप। क्लियर? So for 32 bags, we will take 4, not 5. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1 नहीं करना है। 8 तक पहुंचने के बाद you can save 1 step. बराबर? मजेदार था? नहीं था। अब और मजा दिलाए।